Alright, bagong araw, bagong video naman gagawin natin guys. For today's video guys, pupunta kami ng recognition din ng aming unang prinsesa.
You decorated my life.
7:39.
Apel ba sa Dorveles sa klase? Karon?
So, mabalo pa.
Mana sila? Dito sila sa kwan?
Dito sa kuan.
Ha?
Basketball court.
Sa court nila sa eskwela? Sa Rombra?
Sa court. Sa court. Dito sa kuan agi.
At sa Dorveles doon?
Oh, dito sa common.
Kumagay yung dalan din? Dalan dito? Ayun mga kumon. Doon sa mga eskwelahan, pero sa mga court doon.
Kasi pabor.
Ha?
Kasi pabor nimo.
Dorveles doon? Sa dalan?
The award is from grade 7 to junior. The awardee is from grade 7, Lopez Haina. Let us also welcome the teachers of grade 7. with the theme, Relasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay sa Bagong Pilipinas.
To the families, mentors, and supporters, we extend our deepest gratitude. And also for that, congratulations to the honorees. We are incredibly proud of you. And also to the families and the supporters, your encouragement and belief have been invaluable in helping these young individuals reach their full potential. Once again, congratulations everyone and welcome to the ceremony.
A special occasion like this calls for words of wisdom and inspiration. Some words of encouragement and motivation. Let's give her a big round of applause.
To our guests, teachers of grade 7, parents, our awardees, on behalf of the school principal of the Philippine City National High School, a pleasant morning. That your sons and daughters, these learners I am facing today, are crying of frustration because you cannot give to them the needs that they want right away. However, every parent never ever give up of supporting them despite of how you feel, the frustration you feel inside. But of course, those who are blessed, there is no problem. But for those of the rest who are also working beyond ours just to provide the kind of education that you want to your students, I know this is also part of your huge success, witnessing the success that your students deserve to achieve. To the teachers, I know you are extending so much effort. Not only because they are giving the best, then you will give them right away what they deserve. But you are trying to produce students who can compete, not only in the school level, not only in the division level, but you are trying to vision and you are dreaming for them to compete even nationally. And of course, how do we wish?
To begin with the Science, Technology, and Engineering Grade 7 Luna SC with high honors. Requesting Ma'am Genevieve as a judge for the awarding together with
Proceed to the Science, Technology, and Engineering Grade 7 Result SC with high honors. El Cabo Andrea Zorina C.
Makalakot ba rin? Basta na anak mo.
Keiko Zara Joy C.
Gigit mo mo pa. Ha? Gigit mo mo. Uy, daw ka na po. Hamad. Bakit na lang mama ka? Ambo.
Kirana Jo Hazel J. L.
Dili ko. Ay, ka Joe de part. Ay, ka Joe. So, dili ko.
Giharno Adley T.
Ay, pagliwak pa. Wala ko sa tuwan pa. Ay, kabay.
Capito John Fiona A. Colon Kel Janina B. Godines Mecca Ken L. Kadusaya Pilarca Jan Monique C. With honors, Author Von Windsor R. Aranardo Sari Blinks. Nodalo Janty Nicole B. Paupagan DJ O.
You decorated my life.
Alright guys, hanggang dito lang ang ating video guys ha. Maraming salamat sa inyong support at panonood. Bye bye!